Imagine this. You go silent, thinking she'll start to miss you. But instead she seems completely unaffected. Why does that happen? What's really going on inside her mind? What can you do to make her feel your absence so deeply that she can't ignore it? Stay with me, because this isn't just about going silent. It's about making that silence work for you. 1. Why silence sometimes fails. Silence can be powerful, but it cuts both ways. Used right, it creates space for someone to miss you. Used wrong, it can completely backfire. Many approach silence with the wrong mindset, thinking, if I stop texting, she'll need me. Silence only works when it comes from strength, not desperation. This is the crucial truth many overlook. Picture this. You stop talking, but deep inside, you're glued to your phone, waiting for her. She won't feel your absence. She knows you're still emotionally attached. Silence only works when it's genuine, when you're truly taking time for yourself, not using it as a trick to make her miss you. This is where most go wrong. Women can sense intention. If your silence feels forced or manipulative, she won't respect it. It may come off as immature or needy. Real silence is about stepping back for your own growth, not to trigger a reaction. The focus should be on you. When silence results from self-respect and personal growth, it gains real power. Without that foundation, it's just empty space. 2. Expecting results too quickly. Patience is one of the hardest things to master, especially when emotions are involved. After going silent, many people expect instant results. They think, she'll notice tomorrow, she'll miss me next week. But emotions and human psychology don't follow your timeline. Silence isn't a quick fix. It's a slow process. If she's used to you always reaching out, it takes time for her to adjust to your absence. At first, she might even feel relieved. But as days turn into weeks, that feeling fades. Then, something deeper begins. Curiosity, doubt, and eventually, longing. The mistake is sitting there waiting for her to text you. That mindset ruins everything because it keeps you emotionally dependent. Real silence means letting go of expectations. You stop looking for instant validation and trust the process. Just because you don't see immediate results doesn't mean it's not working. It simply means the emotional impact is still building. Patience is everything. Silence is a long game. 3. How women process silence differently. Women process silence very differently from men. When a man goes silent, he might think she'll notice right away. But that's not how it works. At first, she might not even notice your absence. She feels confident you'll reach out again. But as time passes, that confidence starts to crack. She begins asking herself, why hasn't he texted yet? Is he really done? Has he moved on? That's when the emotional impact begins. And here's the key part. Women are often better at hiding their emotions. Even when your silence starts affecting her, she won't show it immediately. On the outside, she may seem fine, but internally, she's questioning everything. Silence works because it forces her to face emotions she's been avoiding. It gives her space to miss not just you, but your energy, your attention, your presence. It's slow, but when it hits deeply. 4. Focus on yourself. Silence without self-improvement goes nowhere. The biggest mistake during no contact is doing nothing. People sit around wondering if she's thinking about them instead of using that time to grow. Here's the truth. No contact isn't just about making her miss you. It's about becoming someone worth missing. Ask yourself honestly, what have you improved since you stopped talking to her? Did you build new habits, focus on your fitness, grow your confidence, or are you just waiting? Women are naturally drawn to purpose and drive. When your silence is combined with growth, it sends a powerful message. You're moving forward, not waiting. When she notices your progress, whether through social media, mutual friends, or in person, it creates a strong reaction. She starts thinking, did I underestimate him? Did I lose someone valuable? That's the real power. And here's something most people won't tell you. It's not the silence alone that makes her notice. It's what you do during that silence. If you're doing nothing, it's forgettable. But if you're growing, improving, and living your life, that energy becomes impossible to ignore. When she sees you happy and confident without her, it triggers something. She starts wondering why you seem so fine without her. 5. Why chasing destroys everything. Chasing her after she's pulled away is one of the fastest ways to lose respect. When you chase, you're showing that you don't value yourself. It lowers your value in her eyes and gives her all the control. When you chase, you remove mystery. There's no tension left, no curiosity. You've already revealed everything. People are naturally drawn to what feels out of reach. But when you make yourself too available, appreciation drops. Instead of chasing, focus on patience and self-respect. Build confidence and independence. Let her come to you. When you step back, you give her space to reflect and question what she might be losing. 6. The psychological power of absence. When you remove yourself, you create a void. And that void is powerful. Absence forces reflection. She starts replaying memories, analyzing conversations, and questioning her decisions. If she was used to your attention, your messages, your presence, that routine breaking will affect her. Her mind will start searching for answers. But the impact depends on the value you brought. If your presence was meaningful, your absence will feel heavy. If not, it won't hit the same. That's why self-growth during no contact is crucial. The stronger and more confident you become, the more powerful your absence feels. 7. When she reaches out. At some point, your silence might make her reach out. It could be a simple, "Hey," a random question, or something deeper. But how you respond matters a lot. Don't rush to reply immediately. That eagerness can undo your progress. Take a moment and understand why she's reaching out. When you do reply, stay calm, confident, and relaxed. Don't jump into deep conversations right away. Keep things light. If she asks how you've been, share something positive. Show her you're doing well without her. The goal isn't to play games. It's to maintain your self-respect and independence. 8. Confidence is everything. Confidence is the foundation of attraction. If your silence comes from insecurity, she'll feel it. But if it comes from strength, it becomes powerful. Confidence is about how you see yourself. Do you believe you deserve respect and love, or are you constantly seeking validation? When you truly believe in your worth, you naturally attract people. Use this time to build yourself, set goals, improve your life, and grow. When she sees that, it challenges her perception of you. Confidence isn't pretending, it's being secure in who you are. 9. Stay true to yourself. No contact isn't a game. It's not about controlling someone else. It's about reconnecting with yourself. The moment you start using it to manipulate her, you lose the real purpose. This is about rediscovering your value and building a life you enjoy. Stay true to yourself. Set boundaries. Respect your own standards. When you do that, you attract people who respect you for who you are. And the most powerful realization is this: your happiness doesn't depend on her. Whether she comes back or not, you'll be strong, confident, and fulfilled. That's what no contact is really about. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment, and share if you want to keep these videos coming.